Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see that if you want to generate a space between the journal entries, how can you do that? And that's very simple. I have the data here, sample data, where the entries are divided in debit and credit for each journal entry, but there is no space between them. So sometimes in order to import into some software like QuickBooks, you need to generate a space. And how can you do that? It's very simple. Just after these columns, you need to write here sequence, just give any heading. So what we will do is write 1 in the first row on the debit side of the journal entry, and the second one should be blank, then should be a number, and the credit side should be blank. So just write 1 and select the first cell containing the number and the other one which contains blank, and just double click to send it down, and you will see that on every debit there is a number allocated and credit is free from number, and that is perfect. Now I want all of these to be a same number. So as you drag and drop, you will notice that there is autofill options in the end. Let's open that, and it is filling in series. Let's change it to copy cells, and that is perfect. Now what I need to do is generate a space between each entry. So afterwards we will do Control F, and under the find option we will write 1, click on find all, and if we maximize this tab, we will see that all of these are not selected. So just press Control A to select them all. Don't close this, just minimize this again, and you will notice all the 1 numbers are selected, but there are some other numbers as well that are selected. So how can we get rid of that? First of all, select the number sequence, select this column only, and then press Control F. Try it again. Let's click on find all and press Control A directly from here. Make sure that any one of the cells should be selected. From here at the bottom, press Control A, and now you can see that none of the other numbers are highlighted. Now what we will do is right click on any of the number and click on insert, and it will give you a couple of options. I need to insert a complete row, so entire row, and click on OK. And now you can see that after every journal entry there is a space. So this is how you can do it, fast and convenient. I hope you liked today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.